Hi friends, this is Sanit More, the founder of Sunnis.com, and in this video I'm going to review a MI earbuds which are cool if you are going to be having a budget of around about 2 to 3,000 rupees because it looks very beautiful, right? So I'm reviewing this, so let's get right into the video. Stay tuned till the very end of this video because it is going to be a very exciting one for you. The MI True Wireless earphones are really awesome when it comes to the sound quality that it offers. I'm not saying it's the world's best experience, but definitely better than its competition in the same price range. It's a completely white colored earbuds. The earbud tip that you insert in your ears has got smooth finish, whereas the stick has a matte finish feel. Overall, the build quality is really good. Talking about the earbuds, the one thing that I like about this is the case that it comes with. It looks very premium and the quality of it is very nice. Kinda like the higher priced earbuds. It comes with a matte finish. The surprising thing about this earbuds is that it comes with 14.2 dynamic drivers while the competition is still offering drivers around 6. So that is definitely a big thing to consider. With the help of advanced audio coding codec, the audio experience is going to be really high definition. The pairing process is fairly very simple, but once paired with your device, the connection time is faster than you blink your eyelids. Before, people used to always complain about the delay that the Bluetooth earphones used to come with, but no such nonsense you will notice with the MI True earphones. The battery of this pair is also very good. The company claims that these earbuds could last for around about 20 hours with the case when fully charged. The low-end bass sound is slightly boosted, which you will notice it when you use it. But talking about the bass, it's the best in this range. It has got two microphones, which makes it very nice earbuds for voice calling or video calling, all thanks to the dual mic environmental noise cancellation feature. And let me tell you one thing, that the range of the Bluetooth is also very long. These earbuds are compatible with nearly all of the devices that come in today's day and age. Although it lacks a lot of gestures, the one-touch access to the voice assistant makes it very easy to communicate with the connected devices. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are compatible with the MI True Wireless Earphones 2C. Now about the gestures. When double tapping the left earbud, it allows you to access the voice assistant, and when double tapped the right one, it plays, pauses your music, receives calls, and rejects. One more interesting feature which is really smart is that it automatically pauses the music when you pull out the earbuds from your ears and starts playing back when put them back on. No technology out there is perfect, so this also comes with some cons. First, the gestures are limited, and the second, some people may feel the size is slightly on a bigger side. As none of these things mattered my choice because they really fit in very comfortable in my ears, and my primary reason for buying these earbuds was an awesome sound quality, and I wanted the earphones to be decent for calling, so these MI earbuds really serve my needs beautifully. So there you go. I would highly recommend you to get these earbuds. If you like them, then don't think too much. Just get it right now. So if you're interested in buying these earbuds, I have put the link in the description box below. Feel free to check it out and see you in my next video. Till then, stay connected and bye.